Welcome to the Haswings channel. I'm your host, James. Today, we embark on a journey to one of the world's most captivating cities, London, a city teeming with history, culture, and architectural marvels, both iconic and hidden, from the grandeur of Buckingham Palace to the vibrant stalls of Camden Market. London offers a tapestry of experiences. We'll be exploring the well-trodden paths of history, uncovering the stories behind landmarks like Big Ben and the Tower of London. But we'll also delve deeper, venturing into the lesser-known corners of this sprawling metropolis. Get ready to discover the secret charms of Neal's Yard, the tranquil beauty of Little Venice, and the quirky allure of the Seven Noses of Soho. Our journey begins with perhaps the most recognizable symbol of London. Big Ben, or as it's officially known, the Elizabeth Tower. This towering structure, completed in 1859, has become synonymous with the city itself. Standing at the north end of the Palace of Westminster, Big Ben's clock face, framed by ornate neo-Gothic design, has witnessed centuries of history. The deep chimes of its bell, once a beacon for ships on the Thames, have echoed through moments of national celebration and sombre remembrance. In recent years, Big Ben has undergone extensive renovations. This meticulous restoration work, a testament to its enduring significance, ensures that this iconic landmark will continue to captivate generations to come. Our next destination takes us to the banks of the River Thames, to a fortress that has stood sentinel for nearly a millennium, the Tower of London. Founded by William the Conqueror in 1066, the tower has served many roles throughout its long history. From royal palace to infamous prison, the Tower of London holds within its walls tales of intrigue, imprisonment, and execution. It's here that we encounter the stories of Anne Boleyn, Guy Fawkes, and the princes in the tower. Figures forever etched in the annals of British history. Today, the Tower of London stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, welcoming visitors from around the globe. Here, amidst the ravens and the yeoman warders, one can almost hear the whispers of the past, a reminder of the power and the drama that have shaped this nation. Leaving the ancient stones of the tower, we step into the bustling heart of the City of London and find ourselves transported back in time within Leadenhall Market. This Victorian-era covered market, with its ornate painted ceilings and cobbled floors, is a feast for the senses. The market's origins date back to the 14th century, but it was during the Victorian era that Leadenhall truly flourished. Today, it remains a vibrant hub of commerce, home to specialty food shops, pubs and boutiques. But Leadenhall Market also holds a special place in the hearts of film buffs. Recognise those distinctive archways. This market served as the entrance to Diagon Alley in the first Harry Potter film, bringing a touch of magic to the everyday. No exploration of London would be complete without a visit to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of Queen Elizabeth II. This grand building, with its imposing facade and sprawling gardens, stands as a symbol of British monarchy. The changing of the guard, a ceremony steeped in tradition, draws crowds daily. The precision marching and stoic expressions of the guardsmen, clad in their iconic red tunics and bearskin hats, offer a glimpse into the pageantry associated with the royal family. While the palace's staterooms are open to the public during the summer months, the true magic lies in imagining the daily life that unfolds within these walls, from state banquets to private audiences. Buckingham Palace remains a place of power, history, and enduring fascination. Tucked away just off the bustling Covent Garden piazza, we stumble upon a hidden gem, a splash of colour in the heart of the city. Neal's Yard. This small courtyard, with its brightly painted buildings and bohemian vibe, feels a world away from the urban hustle. Neal's Yard was once a neglected back alley, but in the 1970s it underwent a transformation. Today, it's a haven for independent businesses, with shops offering everything from organic skincare products to handmade jewellery. Take a moment to breathe in the aromas of essential oils, browse the shelves of quirky boutiques, or simply soak up the atmosphere of this unique and vibrant space. Neal's Yard is a testament to London's ability to surprise and delight, reminding us to always be open to discovering the unexpected. Our gaze now turns skyward, towards a gleaming spire that dominates the London skyline. The Shard. Designed by renowned architect Renzo Piano, this 95-storey skyscraper is a testament to modern engineering and architectural ambition. Completed in 2012, and the Shard has quickly become one of London's most recognisable landmarks. Its distinctive pyramidal shape, clad in thousands of glass panels, seems to pierce the heavens. From its observation deck, located on the 72nd floor, visitors are treated to breathtaking panoramic views of the city. On a clear day, one can see for miles in every direction, taking in the sprawling metropolis below from a truly unique vantage point. Amidst the bustling energy of London, there exists a haven of tranquility, a place where time seems to flow at a more leisurely pace. Little Venice. This charming neighbourhood, named for its network of canals and waterways, offers a peaceful respite from the urban clamour. Here, colourful narrow boats bob gently in the water, their cabins adorned with flower boxes and whimsical decorations. Stroll along the towpaths, shaded by weeping willows, and observe the ducks gliding through the water. Little Venice is also home to a variety of waterside cafes and pubs. Find a spot on a sunny terrace, order a pot of tea or a pint of local ale, and simply enjoy the serene beauty of your surroundings. We venture now to Ludgate Hill, drawn by the magnificent dome of St. Paul's Cathedral. Designed by Sir Christopher Wren, this architectural masterpiece is one of the most iconic churches in the world. Construction of St. Paul's began in 1675, following the Great Fire of London, which destroyed its medieval predecessor. Wren's design, a blend of Baroque and Renaissance styles, was a testament to the city's resilience and ambition. Step inside and you'll be awestruck by the soaring heights of the dome, the intricate mosaics, and the sheer grandeur of the space. St. Paul's has witnessed countless historic events, from royal weddings to state funerals, solidifying its place at the heart of national life. Prepare for a sensory overload as we delve into the vibrant chaos of Camden Market. This sprawling network of stalls and shops, spread across a warren of streets and alleyways, is a celebration of all things alternative and unique. From vintage clothing and handmade jewellery to street food from every corner of the globe, Camden Market has something to offer everyone. The air buzzes with the energy of buskers, musicians and artists, creating an atmosphere of creative expression and individuality. Bargain for unique souvenirs, sample exotic delicacies, or simply enjoy the people watching. Camden Market is a feast for the senses, a reminder that London is a city where diversity is celebrated and embraced. Our final stop takes us on a quirky treasure hunt through the streets of Soho, in search of the 7 Noses of Soho. This unusual art installation, consisting of 7 plaster casts of a nose, has become a beloved local curiosity. Created by artist Rick Buckley in the 1990s, the noses were originally attached to buildings without permission, as a form of street art protest. Their purpose and meaning remain shrouded in mystery, adding to their allure. Today, tracking down all 7 noses has become a popular activity for visitors and locals alike. So keep your eyes peeled as you wander through Soho, and you might just spot one of these enigmatic artworks. Thanks for joining us on this journey through London. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden corners, we've only just scratched the surface of this dynamic and ever-evolving city. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content from Haswin's channel. We'll continue to explore the world's most fascinating destinations, uncovering the stories and experiences that make them truly special. Until next time, keep exploring. There's a world of adventure out there just waiting to be discovered.